uh, to creation of payment terms, we have to use the T code OBB8, and there we can configure and we can select the indicators like this payment terms will applicable for vendor or customer, and number of days and discount applied, like that we can give the configuration. So let's start. So first of all, I will go to the transaction OBB8. So here we need to click on the new entries. So payment terms, this is a indication, and this is also day limit. So these two will be help to identify the kind of nature of the payment terms. Okay, and here in account type tab we can select to vendor or customer. This payment terms will be applicable for vendor or customer. And if you want to calculate payment terms in a particular fixed day, here we can give, if any additional month we want to calculate for payment terms, here we can give. And we can also give the baseline date when you are posting an invoice. If you want to consider posting date as a baseline date, we need to select here. Okay, normally system will take document date as a baseline date. We can create give the entry date as a baseline date or document date as a baseline date. Okay, if you want black the invoice where you are using this payment terms, so here you have to select black key and payment method, like that. Normally we have option, we can give the payment method in the vendor master. So here also we can maintain, and it will update in the line items. Okay, here how many days you want to apply for first term. For example, 15 days you want to give 2% discount to your vendor, and if it is 30 days, if you want to give 1% discount to your supplier, like that we can configure. For example, I'm configuring Y100 35 days, 5%, sorry, 15 days, 5%, and 30 days, 3%, 45 days, 0. Here we can give 15 days. Why? Because these payment terms will be applicable from 15 days onwards of the baseline date. Okay, this is payment terms we are creating for vendor, so we have to deactivate the customer, and we have to select the checkbox of vendor. And here we have to give percentage. What is the percentage we have given? 5%. 5% for 15 days and 3% for 30 days and 45 days no variation. Okay. Sorry, we have to mention here. Okay, now after entering the all details, we have to click on the save button. Here one more checkbox we have in the payment terms, so tab installment payments. So this is also, this is one different kind of scenario. This will be applicable for installment, for down payment, first down payment. For example, if we have total sum of the payment 1 lakh, so first installment the when we have to pay 50,000, second installment 30, and third installment 20,000. Like that scenario if we have, so we have to use the installment payment, we can configure. So this will look in the future classes. Okay, now we have to click on the save button. It will create a new request, and here we have to give new payment terms. Okay, click on the save button and click on enter. So it is has been created. So once we create the payment terms, we have to assign these payment terms to particular vendor. So this is the S4 HANA. So we have to go to transaction BP